Hello folks. Last time we have discussed the Ethereum platform and explained what lays underneath it. Today, we'll take a look at its primary competitor, aka Solana Network. Solana is a public, open-source blockchain project aimed to support smart contracts, decentralized applications, and non-fungible tokens. Let's dive into the creation and the purpose behind it. Solana platform was founded back in 2017 by Anatoly Yakovenko, who worked as a software engineer before founding Solana. This experience had made him aware that a reliable clock simplifies network synchronization, and when that occurs, the resulting network would be exponentially faster. Yakovenko surmised that using proof of history would speed up the blockchain tremendously compared with blockchain systems without clocks, like Bitcoin and Ethereum that were struggling to scale beyond 15 transactions per second worldwide. The most crucial difference between Ethereum and Solana is its current underlying hybrid consensus mechanism, which combines proof of stake and proof of history. The latter one is Solana's concept. Proof of stake is a simple verification protocol that enables its users, known as validators, to stake their coins, which in return enables users to add the next block of transaction and reward validators. Meanwhile, proof of history is a method of processing transactions based on historical records that prove that an event or transaction actually occurred at a specific moment in time. It allows knowing when it occurred, thus functioning like a cryptographic timestamp. We will cover cryptography in future videos, so stay tuned. Within every blockchain node, there is also a clock that keeps track of the network's time events, eliminating the ability to reorder transactions to a validator's advantage. This helps make Solana a censorship-resistant network. Solana can quickly add multiple properties to its existing network, whether it's building applications or mining SOL tokens. This network can perform it all within microseconds. Whoa, that was a lot to grasp. Now let us explore how Solana can make your life easier. First of all, it made developers extremely happy by running on Rust, the most popular programming language. Rust can build a wider variety of applications, games, or blockchain and is much easier to use compared to Solidity, Ethereum-specific software. This made Solana a more accessible platform for deploying apps, which led to an exponential growth of its ecosystem. Secondly, the enhanced scalability makes Solana stand apart from its competitors. It does not require Layer 2 solutions to increase scale, using a turbine block propagation protocol, which simply breaks down data into smaller fragments. It aids in the processing time and makes it a low-fee blockchain. Finally, it is worth mentioning that over the last 2 years, the boom over non-fungible tokens, also known as NFTs, overloaded the Ethereum platform and made their prices skyrocket. Nowadays, Solana offers a much more affordable and less competitive environment that attracts more and more investors. Nothing is perfect, right? Many crypto enthusiasts can point out many disadvantages. However, we will focus on one particular aspect. The nature of Solana's staking system has led to centralization concerns. SOL rewards are proportional to the number of tokens staked. If a node were to split their stake between 2 validators to have 2 votes, they would get the same rewards and have to pay double the voting fee. If you look up how many validators Solana Network has, bear in mind Ethereum counts to over 200,000. While this is true, young blockchains are almost always centralized to some extent until they grow to a certain level. Solana is a relatively young blockchain and may very well become significantly more decentralized over time. So, draw your conclusions and decide whether it's decentralized enough for you. Again, think of Solana as a token that can power various apps rather than merely as a currency that transfers monetary value from one person to another. Each blockchain has some incredible features that set it apart. While decentralization is certainly something that Ethereum has always focused on, higher throughput has remained Solana's focus and has managed to achieve that via its underlying technology as well. Additionally, Solana has several exciting developments that are coming online or have just been announced. Solana Pay will allow merchants to accept USD Coin and other tokens using Solana's speed and low cost. Coachella, one of the world's most famous music festivals, which will take place in the second quarter of 2022, also announced an NFT collection built using Solana. There is a long, bumpy, and hopefully rewarding road ahead of Solana participants, but we believe that every project, if taken care of properly, will pay off tenfold.